How to convert an AAE file to JPEG in Windows 11. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to convert an AAE file to a JPEG file in Windows 11. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, what is an AAE file? So an AAE file is a file type found on iOS 8 and newer, Mac OS 10.10 or later systems. So it stores information about any edits made to JPEG photos in the Photos app. So AAE files are in addition to original files and let users revert photos to their original state if required. So basically what AAE files are, these are files from Apple products. So to convert an AAE file to a JPEG file, what you want to do is just search up for AAE to JPEG in your web browser, and then what you want to do is just look for Convertio right here. So this is the website, and then just click on that, and then you'll be redirected here. And then after that, it will ask you to choose your file. So just choose your AAE file from your folder. So I'll just use this one as an example, and then from there it will ask you to convert it. So in this box right here, when you open this box, as you can see, there are a lot of options that you could choose in converting your AAE files. You can also convert it to PNG, SVG, PSD, and a lot more. But in today's video, I will convert this into a JPEG file. So to convert this into a JPEG file, just type in JPG and then just click on that. And then as you can see, I can now convert this into a JPG file. So once you're done choosing the file type that you want to convert it to, just click on convert and then just wait for it to upload. And then once you're done, this page will pop up which will say conversion completed. So I can now download my converted file. So just click on download right here, and then it will start downloading your file. And then when I open the file, I can now open the image. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to convert an AAE file to a JPEG file.